Hey there, mobile gaming fans. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting secret to share, an incredible trick with you, a simple tutorial on how to get unlimited gems using this awesome Capybara Go hack. The best part? This method works on any mobile device, whether you're using iOS or Android. No need for jailbreaks, root access, or even a computer. I've personally tested it, and as you can see, the resources were added directly to my account without a hitch. Make sure to watch the entire video to see exactly how it's done. Don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Let's jump right in. The first step is finding your in-game user ID. You'll need it to make this magic happen. Here's how you find it. Open the game, navigate to your profile, and take note of your user ID. Got it? Great, let's move on. Now open your favorite browser and go to this site. As you can see, you will find many mobile app and game hacks here, each with amazing features. But let's focus on the topic of our guide. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find Capybara Go, then just click on it to open the hack page. Next, choose your platform and enter your username. Then hit the Proceed button. The hack tool will connect to the game servers automatically. It's totally secure and won't risk your account. Once you have successfully connected to the server, select the amount of resource you want and tap Proceed to start the hack process. After confirming your selection, the website will begin injecting the mod. The duration of this process may vary depending on your internet connection speed and device performance. In most cases, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the modification has been successfully applied to your device and is ready for use. However, there may be one final step required. Depending on your device model and operating system, you may need to verify your account. This step ensures that only real players use the tool. If you are not sure how to complete the process, there's even a video tutorial to walk you through. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip the verification process and come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. I had to try a couple of quick tasks, but it was super simple. And now the resources are ready to delivery to my game account. Time to hop back into the game. As you can see, my resources balance is loaded up after a few seconds. Enjoy the unlimited fun. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If this guide helped you, smash like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and leave a comment below with your results. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.